Divide 738 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 738 divided by 3 is 246. So this much for today and thanks for watching.